Hey tech enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you: the architecture of operating systems. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how your computer works, this video is sure to provide some valuable insights. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the architecture of an operating system? It's like the backbone of your computer, orchestrating everything from basic input-output to complex multitasking. In this video, we'll explore the key components that make up the architecture of operating systems. First up, let's talk about the kernel. It's the core of the operating system, responsible for managing resources, executing processes, and maintaining overall system integrity. Surrounding the kernel, we have the user space, where applications and user-level processes operate. This separation ensures stability and security. Now, let's delve into process management. The OS keeps track of all running processes, allocating resources, and ensuring they play nicely with each other. We'll discuss how multitasking works and how the OS decides which process gets the CPU time. Memory management is crucial for optimal system performance. We'll explore how the OS allocates and deallocates memory, preventing programs from overstepping their boundaries. Get ready for a journey into virtual memory and page tables. Ever wondered how your files are stored and organized? That's where file systems come into play. We'll take a look at how the OS manages files, directories, and storage devices. From FAT to NTFS, there's a lot to cover. Without device drivers, your hardware wouldn't communicate with the operating system. We'll discuss how drivers act as intermediaries, allowing the OS to interact with peripherals like printers, graphics cards, and more. It's the unsung hero of your hardware ecosystem. System calls are the bridge between user applications and the kernel. A system call is a programmatic way for a user-level application to request a service from the operating system. It serves as a gateway, allowing user programs to access functionalities that require elevated privileges or are managed by the kernel. Without system calls, applications would be isolated, unable to tap into the full potential of the operating system. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intricate architecture of operating systems. We've only scratched the surface, so if you want a deeper dive into any specific aspect, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, happy computing.